everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing fabulous. Assalamualaikum, meet me again in my food channel FoodComa by MissBlackRose. Today I'm gonna show you how to make baked lemon chicken wrapped with beef bacon. If you like the video, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe, and let's make the food together. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make quite a lot of baked lemon chicken wrapped with beef bacon because I have a guest coming for lunch today, and all the description letter I'm gonna write down on the description. So I'm gonna cut half. So if you don't want to make that much, you can just using half of my recipe. Alright, okay, so right, let's do it together. Right everyone, this is the ingredient what we're gonna use for a chicken baked bacon. This is I use the boneless chicken, which is I keep the skin, but if you want to take off the skin, it's no problem. And this is beef bacon, garlic powder, salt, paprika, chili powder, lemon juice or lime juice, what's this? Black pepper, crush, and brown sugar. Okay, let's make this. Cut this, make it like 3. So 3, okay. So you continue until you finish. Right everyone, now we're gonna make the marinade for the chickens. Right, first of all you could just put sugar, Right, now when you've done this, you just marinate for 1 hour. Marinate. If you can marinate more than 1 hour, that's even better. But really in the rush now because I have people coming for lunch today, so 1 hour would be enough. But if you could make it like night before, like you do it in the night time and then you marinate and then you cook it in the morning, that would be fantastic. Right, this is what you do. Just over bacon. Right, like that. So this is the result after oven. They are all quite crispy, and then we're gonna put on the table for people coming for lunch. Right everyone, this is my friends is coming from Cinnamon and helping me to making this chicken wrapped in the bacon, and then we're gonna eat together later on with other people coming. Now the final touch. This chicken wrapped bacon, I will be putting the sauce is Carolina barbecue sauce. Wow. been really helping me to decorate this chicken, and they're gonna eat lunch later on together. This is Widyawati and Ubay. Hello. Hi guys.
Hai.
Hola.
Boom, boom. Ayo guys, kita cobain makanan Eprok hari ini. Kayaknya enak banget deh. Rasanya lezat, so yummy. Oh my god. Try.
This is green bean, garlic, right?
Yes.
Gila, bener di lidah. Oh my god, so yummy. Buat teman-teman harus cobain ya. Sekarang saya mau cobain.
Mbak, sapikan satu lagi ada?
For the first time you can help me because I brought my colleagues.
Where are you from, by the way? Where are you from?
Hai buat teman-teman, ini kita lagi langsung tempatnya dapur rumah saya. Ini makanannya.
Gak ada dapurnya deh. Rumah saya house warung.
Oh, rumah saya.
House warung.
Apa?
House warung.
Ulang, udah ulang. Oh, terus.
Remember, I was working in the same bar, and I found they just relocated around the corner.
Right, how's the chicken, guys?
So yummy.
Thank you.